Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Can anyone tell me what relativity is? No one. Great. Let me explain to you. Oh, I forgot to introduce myself. I'm Albert Einstein, and who am I? It's not easy to define myself. The physicist said that I'm a mathematician, and the mathematician said that I'm a physicist. I think I'm a completely isolated man. Or you can say I'm a thinker. Before I get too far from the topic, let's get down to business. What is relativity? Briefly speaking, when you look up at the sky and see an airplane in the distance, it doesn't appear as if it is going very fast. Aha! You stand there and watch as the airplane seems to move slowly across the sky. Yet, if you're standing next to it, whoa! The airplane will pass in a split second! And yet again, if sitting inside the airplane, it barely seems to move at all. Do you get my point? Not really? Okay, let's put it another way. If we put a hand on a hot stove for a minute, and it might seem like an hour. However, if you play with iPad for an hour, it may only seem like a minute. That's relativity. This is my point. The speed of a moving object depends on how it's being viewed. That's what relativity means. I introduced the theory of relativity in 1905. It was a big year for me. I developed 6 important theories during this year. People even named this year Einstein's Miracle Year. I mention this is not because I like to show off, but because I want to emphasize the importance of thinking. Though I developed a lot of well-known theories, I didn't perform well in school. When I was young, I was always stuck in daydreaming all day long. My parents were really there was a problem with my brain, so they would see different doctors, and the doctors finally persuaded them that it was just my nature. When I attended school, teachers couldn't tolerate me because I was always interrupting a class with tons of questions. They thought that I was a bad influence on my classmates because I was always asking questions the teacher wasn't able to answer. In the end, I was expelled from school. Was it hard for me to stand? Of course. But it didn't stop me thinking and then quitting about everything. I love to lay on my back in the grass, look at the sky, and think about the space beyond it. How fast could somebody get there? How does light get all away from those stars in my eyes? I always tease myself that I'm so smart. But it's just because I put those problems in my brain longer until I can see them clearly. I would like to share a formula with everyone today. I think it's greater than E equals mc squared. If A is success in life, then the formula is A equals x plus y plus z. X is work, y is play, and z. Keep your mouth shut. I mean, be humble and cautious. And the most important is never stop asking questions. Thank you, everybody.